And let's begin with the auto suggestive drop down. So suppose I am here at google.com. Okay, so suppose I type India here, IND. You have typed IND, right? So based on this first three letters, Google has suggested you some values, right? India Bix, Indian Railways, India, IndusInd Bank, India, China. Why this is coming? Because this is trending nowadays, right? India map, whatever, right? So suppose I want to click on in India IndusInd Bank, right? So what I am doing, I have just opened my Google Chrome, Google browser, Chrome browser, and I have typed here IND, right? Then what I have done, I after that there is a page down button, right? Up arrow, down arrow, left, right? Four buttons available in my keyboard, right? So I am pressing my page down button. First time it came to India Bix, second time it came to Indian Railways, third time Indian Railways, fourth time India, country in South Asia, then IndusInd Bank, then India, China, right? Then India map. So this is auto suggestive drop down, means based on your typing it suggests you to some results, and you need to decide which results you want to click on. Okay, so here suppose I search MOD, right? So Modi video of 15 lakh, maybe this people normally have searched more, whatever the trending related to MOD. Suppose RAH, so Rahul City, Rahul Gandhi, Rahul Kal today, Rahat Indori, whatever is trending, right? So suppose I go for any other thing, right? OTHE, so first, other, Othello, whatever this is. So this is your auto suggestive drop down. Where it comes in, suppose I am going to uh, browse a website called Make My Trip. So based on my last booking or based on my last search result, it give me auto. So I need to clear this field. So there is some way in Selenium to clear this, but that's not topic for today. Just click on this and suppose I type BEN. So based on my first three letters it will suggest me some.
Bandhan, your voice is breaking.
For
But
everyone.
then I'm not able to hear you properly at all. Means I missed everything whatever you are telling.
Okay, again I will connect it. Maybe tomorrow this will be fixed because I am having a internet connection here. The stars were good, but I don't know why the voice was not clear. Now it's clear, everybody.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's fine now.
Okay, thank you. So, based on my last search or based on my last history, suppose I type BEN, right? So it suggested me Bengaluru, Benghazi, Libya, and then Israel, whatever, right? Because this book for international flights also. So we are going to automate this kind of website in future after completing this course, right? At least 50 to 100 test case we will write and we will try to automate it. We'll face many problems because sometimes you will, because of lockdown you will not able to proceed further because website give you some pop-up and those are temporary, right? And sometimes cookies may cause you problem and sometimes other things, but we will try to automate this kind of website. So let me close it and come to the google.com. So suppose this is your google.com, okay, and I have typed IND, right? So after typing IND, it has suggested me some India Bix, Indian Railways, Indigo, whatever, right? Let me locate this input box, right? I will write first a locator for this input box. Right click, inspect it, and here comes some points to note on. See what ID it has given to me. Input ID, this is your input box. When I am when my mouse cursor is over here, this is highlighting this one, right? This means I am at the right place. So ID is real box, type is equal to search, autocomplete of spell check false, everything, right? Let's come here and select your selectors hub and double slash, try to write a XPath for it. What is your tag name? Input, at the rate attribute, select any attribute, suppose I select ID, is equal to value. Value is what? Real box, right? And press on enter. See, no any matching element, but we have written it correctly, right? Why no matching element? I don't know. Just come to this Firefox. Now see, inspect, right click and inspect element. See, this time the data suggested by this Firefox is totally different, right? Name, you have not seen any ID over here, no ID is present here, right? See, input class is equal to this. Maximum length you can type to search in Google is 2048. Name Q, type text and other data, right? But no ID is suggested here, and I am at same URL, right? Let's go to this Google again and type google.com. Now after this, inspect and see. Now this is your desired thing, right? Why this happened? Actually I was in same page, but when I will move through or this Eclipse IDE, this may or may not be typed here because this Chrome will be firstly open, right? So you have to take care of all these things. Now after this, right click, inspect. Now see, this is suggested because here in URL you have typed, right? Okay, now let's select our selectors hub and double slash input at the rate name. This is suggesting, selectors hub is suggesting you this. Just click on this and copy. Once you click on enter, one element matching, right? Now copy this and paste here. Now I will first move to driver.get, or you can use driver.navigate too. And just go and copy this URL so that there is no error. Google.com. Sometimes people generally don't copy HTTPS, or some website are generally HTTP only, right? They doesn't purchase the certificate for security, that's why the here it's mentioned HTTP only, right? My website is College to Industry is HTTP only, right? That's why. And here you need to send some keys. Sorry, here you cannot send. Okay, now you need to write locator driver dot find element by dot xpath and double slash input and same at the rate name is equal to q, right? And here you can send. Suppose if you know that you will use this xpath in multiple locations, then what can you do? You can store this element inside any web element, web element search box. Give name which you can understand. Search box Google search box, right? Google search box. Okay, now store it. Now what you want to send in Google search box, you want to send some keys. Just dot send keys and just send ind, right? But there may be a problem. Now today we'll understand simultaneously what will be the problem. Suppose just like my internet speed is slow as of now, right? Once this line of code will be executed, once this will be navigated to google.com, instantly it will try to search this element in your page, and there may be a chance that this URL is not fully loaded, and just because this line has executed, this element is getting it tries to find it, right? But your page is not fully loaded, but it is finding this element just because this may be an error. So what we can do, after this line we should wait for some time to this page for fully loaded. So here we can use this Java functionality thread.sleep, right? Although this is not good way to write, right? Because Selenium provides waits, right? So there are implicit and explicit wait present in Selenium. Still, because we have not covered those topics, I am just using this line of code, right? Once we will be completing our Selenium waits, then we will only use this implicit or explicit wait. Until then we are using this thread.sleep, right? Okay, although this is not a good practice to work on, right? But for time's sake we will use this. Okay, so after, what does it mean? 1000 millisecond means the 1 second. Let me give it 5, right? And after that, this after this line execute, this will wait 5 seconds, right? And then it will find this element in your web page, and then it will send some keys to it. Right click and run this code. If your code is fine, if everything is if we have written correctly, then it will work fine. But I got an error. Let's read it. It is better that we face error, so that we can understand what that exactly error is. The path driver executable must be set webdriver.chromedriver.property. Okay, what mistake I have done here? I have told that I am using Firefox driver, and I have passed the path for the Firefox driver, but I have created object for Chrome driver, right? So here I should call the Firefox driver. Okay, so this was error. So this way we can find the errors. Firefox, and let me copy it here, paste. Now we will run it if everything goes correct. After successfully loading, it will wait for 5 seconds. Then it typed India, and you can see after that India is first. India map, India Post, Indigo, India Mart, Indian Railways, whatever the data is suggested. Suppose after typing IND, I want to select India Post. So how much click I have to do? First, sorry, by default here 1 page down, 2 page down, and 3 page down. After 3 page down I was here. Let me give 3 page down here. How can I give? Here similarly I can send keys, and although I have not covered the mouse and keyboard events, still let's understand. Keys dot down, right? And how much time? One time extra you have to do. I will tell you why, but let's give it 3 times first. And after this I will show that if my mouse will come, suppose here I am here, right? I am searching IND and I India Post. Our expected result is 1 2 3 India Post, right? But let me run it. Okay, you will wait for 5 seconds. It didn't come under why. Okay,
Vandan, in any case, if I have go to eighth or ninth number of the element, then I have to send so many keys down, down, down.
no, you don't have to do this. Wait for that time. uh,
Okay.
you need to just match with your element, and we will use loop for that, right? So if we have more result is 10th, at 10th place, then we don't need to write this 10 times. We will get this text, and after getting the text we will do that, right? So why it didn't work? Okay, let's close it first. Close this tree. And
Then actually it came third place, but we did not click it, right? Do we need to do click, dot click, something like that?
let me check first. It was came under, because I have not seen that. Dot send keys, keys dot enter. So after entering, this will be your desired result. See first. This is not my browser which was launched. It just did one thing, IND, and IND. Okay, maybe keys dot arrow down is the function. Just close it first. this is your element dot send keys India. Let's search something else, Sachin, right? And let me check here. Okay, let's close it and then SACH 1 2 3. So Sachin Tendulkar. Dot send keys dot down. Let's check page down, right, this time, because this one memory function. Let me run it first and then we'll check. Let's use keys.down. Keys.down is your desired one, but I will check with the Chrome browser why it's not working for this one. Let's check for arrow down and then we'll check for this one. Arrow down. Sometimes it happens that every keys is some, just like Google is too smart, it not supports it, but it should work for other website. Keys.down. Although we have other methods also to get this problem resolved. If this way will not work, we will say in other methods, because every functionality is every code, sometimes arrow down is not supported by some websites, so we have to take other ways also. That's why we should know every way and we can automate that. This was browser was lost, right? I don't think that this, I have not closed this. Let's close it. We have one another method, driver dot close, instantly it will close, so we cannot see it. That's why I'm not using that right up now. Maybe it was selected and I am not able to see it. It may be the region. Let's change your browser. uh, let's do it with the Chrome browser. Copy the code. Let's check it, because this is too fast. Close, run this and use the down method. If this will not work, we will check another way. uh, Maybe this is not supported. What can we do? Right click Java application. Okay, just close it and directly let's try to use directly this one, driver dot find.
Can we print that thing?
What, this text?
Uh, yeah, the text which is picking or get the text, something like this.
This text which I have written.
No, like if India I'm printing and I'm if using fourth number,
Yeah, we can
then
we
it
can we can do it. That's our second way, right? So it should support this one. Maybe this Google is blocking this page down, because here if you right click and inspect, so we can get the results, right? And we just need to write the XPath for it. India, right? Indian Railways. So class is same for everyone. Suppose this is class for this. Let's first try this way, and then if it will not going, we will try both way. This should work. Maybe this website is not supporting it. Driver.find element date dot send keys dot down. Although keys dot enter is working here, but keys dot down is not working. So let's see why this is not working. Every time we should not run away, just troubleshoot the problem first.
Vandan, your voice is breaking, Vandan.
Wait. I will reconnect it, okay?
Then can I tell one thing?
Wait. Actually, internet is connecting again.
Hello.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, you can tell me. Yeah, now it's okay. Voice is okay. Everybody, now you can hear me properly. Guys, can you hear me? Let me join again. Okay, guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can't hear anyone.
Yeah, yes, I able to hear now.
Yeah, someone was saying something.
Yeah, I'm Anbarasu. Just after send keys, just I add the click method, then use the arrows down, then enter. It's working for me. Can you try that?
Send keys after that click method.
Means click is dot click.
After your element.
Yes.
Let's check it. I have not tried it ever. It's giving an
Okay.
error. Right? Why this
Can
is?
you share your screen?
Yeah, no, no. After that, this element you are using click method. This
Yes,
after.
click in chat itself. I have shared the four queries. Means four lines of code. You can
Let
check
me
it.
see. No, no. I recently joined. That's why I cannot see any chat. Let me share
Okay.
my screen first. Okay, you can again paste it. I will check it, but uh, send keys you are using web element driver and then let me check it. Why? But we don't need to use this. But
Okay.
I
Okay.
will check this for you. But whatever you are, we are in following in manual. We should only write that. Maybe
Oh, okay.
this
Okay.
trick works. Let me check it. But this should work without this click also. Because once you will click on this, so it will try to search something, right?
Yes.
I have not sent the love. Why it's find the love? I have not sent any keyword. Okay, here let me send something first. If I will send dot send keys, this may be the error that sometimes some browser some URLs doesn't support these keys down. So we have other ways also, but that's why I'm trying that I should be clear first that this is not supporting, and then we will find other ways. Although your trick worked, but it should work without this key, right? Without this click button.
Yeah. Yes.
Because what this step said, first you have located an element, and after that you have sent some values to it, right? So suppose I send some values to it here, right? And after that I click on enter. Just this line says that click on enter, but this is not clicking it, it is coming down after that. So this is just a trick which worked, but you can understand what I am saying, right?
Yeah, I got it. Then. So
It,
we should not use the click method. Click. Correct.
because after sending keys it's working as of now, so it looks fine, but this way is not correct. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
because once I have sent keys, so click method we should click in this position after that, right? But this is coming down under without using this. Let me run it again. although this is not working, but if I click, then it should search for India. But okay, let's find another way. But other way is so tricky. Suppose I am here and I type IND. So these are my results. So first let me open my notepad, although I should browse another website and check that. This will take time. Now you need to find common attributes, right click, inspect, and try to find. I will do with this Firefox. This is much easier. Google.com. This will be learning to you today. Google.com. IND. Right click over first, inspect and see. Div tag sp1 span sbl1. Copy this class, right? This one is a class. Second, right click, inspect again this sbl1. This is same class, right? Now we can understand data. Every data is coming in this. We can guess it, right? First result is coming in this class and second result is also coming in this class, right? Now what can we do? We can go to our ChroPath plugin and right click, inspect and see selectors hub and just type what div tag was right @ class is equal to this one. Currently it doesn't have any. Okay, this is suggesting something, that's why here IND suppose. Okay, then let me click it. See these much, whatever results are suggesting, that much div tags are here. Okay, this one is so easy for to get, Okay, this makes sense, right? So what I will do, right, copy this XPath and driver dot find element, find, because this time we know that elements will be written. Find elements by dot XPath and paste this dot. Okay, right? And this yesterday, if you have attended this session, list of web elements. Oh, yeah. Elements list. Okay, and just import this. Import this also. Web element is your class and I am importing. web.
Actually, you have imported AWT, not util1 package.
Okay. This may be the problem. Okay, util. I may tell it util, and then web element. Why this is okay? I have not declared any variable list. Okay, so after that use for each loop, and it will just first let's print all the results. After that sys out web element, no, your variable only, web element dot get text. Okay, now here we will give some wait after typing this so that results are loaded, right? Select 1000 2003, just right click and run it. It will wait for 5 seconds. Whatever results are here should be, see, whatever results are here should be printed here. This is second way if your arrow down is not supported, right? So now which first let's see which one you first, India map, India Post, Indigo, right? So you can see in that way here. When see, don't think that here you are seeing India but result is your India. Just come above and after that India map, India Post, Indigo, right? So whatever result you are getting in the Google search or suggestion, you can get that, right? But this is auto suggestive drop down. Although my first way didn't work, but it will not happen every time that that way will not work, right? Today it has not worked because maybe there are some issues with the Google drop down, right? So Google is too smart. Maybe tomorrow it will be preventing you to automate its web page, just like every 2 months it updates its driver, right? So that's why sometimes it's not support. That's why we have other ways also. This is not only second way, there are multiple ways that day by day I will tell you. Now as per the question how much results we have, I want to click on this India Post only, right? So now what, how can I click on this India Post? Now this time we don't need to do anything, just declare a variable
If,
above. Sorry,
if condition.
yeah, of course. First just declare a variable name is equal to, and you can declare it blank, right? And just copy this one India Post, and here every time name is equal to this web element dot get text, right? Now every time you are storing every result in this name variable. Now what you need to do, check whether name dot equals to, when I was covering this thing I have told you how to, here I am using the equals ignore case. I hope this is clear to all, right? So name dot equals, so I have copied this result, right? And let me paste it. Okay, I will type it, then India Post. if this result is found, then what you need to do, just copy this one. After this you need to web element. Let's try with click. Once you find that element, click on that, but it will click on first, I hope. Let me run it first. It will search for India, and I will tell you why this clicked on that. Okay, it clicked on because I was using for each loop. It worked fine. If I, why this error came? Although you achieved your result, but there was an error. Let me check it why. First let me check error. Stale element reference element is not attached to the page document, and then after exception native let me run it again. I will tell you, sometimes it happens. First let me again run it. Okay, after this you clicked on here, and let me break it. And now run it. I will tell you what was your error. Actually what happened, I previously I have not used the break, right? So you have achieved all the results, right? And after getting all the results, you were printing all of them, right? But India, after India post, see here, after India post, let me tell you, after India post I have these results left, right? India, China, India, Sind Bank, India. So in this code I was telling that you have get all the results in this list and just print them, right? But here I have some conditions that if you find this India post, click on them. But you have get all the list. After clicking on India post, it went to another page, but still it was trying to get all the other results, all the other results into your list, and it was trying to get those, right? But you are now in another page, you jumped into another page. So as soon as I found my India post, right, I came out of this loop, right? So after printing this after clicking on this India post, I didn't went to this again. This just like work this for loop which I have told earlier. Int I is equal to 0. Suppose I run it, I is less than 5, so it will run 5 times. and I plus plus, right? So what, suppose I have got the 5 results, then I was trying to print all 5 results, but as soon as I found my desired result at third place, I clicked on that element, and as soon as I clicked on that element, I came to this page. Suppose I came to this page, but still it was trying to find other results also, right? Because I have not used the break statement. So loop was keep running, but when loop was keep running, then your results were not present in same page, right? It was trying to get, it was trying to get web get those elements from the list, right? But you were now in another page, and in that page your results, suggestion results were not present, right? So that's why the error came. Let me again remove this break and show you what was that error. So this way we can troubleshoot the problem, right? Every single line can generate error, so that's why we need to be very careful. That's why I told you the importance of this break statement in Java sessions also, right? So I instantly get that what may be the problem, right? And 90% time your guesses may be correct, 10% time your guesses may be wrong, right? So you have to troubleshoot in a way. See, although I will click on my desired result, let's wait, and then it will click on India post, right? It clicked on India post, but still your result was achieved, but error was there. What this error was saying, I read that error and I knew that what mistake I have done, now correct it. Stale element reference element is not attached to the page document. What does it mean? Means your everything were correct, but the now these elements you have attached, you are get in your list is not present in your this page. Which page? This new one, right? So this way you can troubleshoot error. If you are getting elements and printing them, then you should make sure until you complete your task, you should not jump to another page. Otherwise in another page those results may not present. Second thing which I skipped at that time, I was saying that it may be click on that first element also. Suppose I and D, and it may be click on this because this I have searched, that's why it's suggesting at first page. Let me go here, I and D. So this may be click at first also. If I was using this for loop only, not this loop, right? Not this for each loop. For each loop is working same as the for loop, but here in that if I was using for a loop, then for getting, suppose let me explain again it. With the for loop the problem is for, suppose I get it 10 here, 20 here, okay? Now we don't need to do that thing. List if here what we need to do, list dot get I dot get text, right? And here name is equal to, I will get the name, right? Now I am doing same thing with the normal for loop. If name dot equals control space India post, right? Then suppose I do this, list dot get web element dot click. Where is your web element? Driver dot find element. Oh, copy, and here you need to use only find element, not find elements. Find element dot click. Okay, right. See, although I am matching with the India post, still see what happens. See, although here I have given the code that if name equals to India post, it matched with your name India post, but it clicked on first element. Why? Because I have not told that where you are, click on that place only. Get I method you need to use. I will tell again it in another session. And here for using get I method you need to use find elements dot get I method is present in find elements only, right? So now this time it will work fine if you run it, because when you are using right locator, right, you are in the right position, but what you did, you just use the find element by click, so it will go and match with this India post. But when you will say that click on this element, I have removed this find elements and click on this element, then it will click on first result, just because you have not told it that you are in this position, you have to click on this, right? So this was the second way, right? We have multiple ways to automate the dynamic drop down, but our first way was the most easier way, right? Although for oh shit, okay, recording, although this worked fine this time, and I appreciate this effort, but this is working as of now, but this is not right way. Actually, whatever you follow in manual steps, just follow those steps in your automation also. Those will never cause an error, right? What? Suppose I and D I typed here. Now if I will press on enter, then what should it do? It should search for I and D, right? And same thing Anabarsu did here. Send keys, and after that same element he clicked, right? Just because Google has some restrictions, maybe that reason is that's working here. Maybe also this is correct, I am not saying this is wrong, there may be other reasons, but usually what we should do, follow the manual steps. If you are following your manual steps and those steps are working, then you can go for other steps. So we are for ahead of this session, and our dynamic drop down is left as of now. So this was auto suggested drop down. Although drop downs and calendars and the HTML tables, web tables are tricky ones, else everything is okay, right? Else everything is good, nothing is so difficult. Okay, so this was second way to handle this, whatever way I told, but you have many things to learn in this code, right? Anybody has any question? Anybody has any doubt?
No, Andan. No, Andan. So we can use both any for each loop or for loop for this getting the element, correct?
Yeah, but I'll
Okay.
suggest that for each loop, but you can
Yeah,
use
for each
both
is
are correct,
correct.
both are
Yeah.
correct, ways.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it's good. For a large number of entries, we can use this one only.
Yeah, suppose we have thousands of result in a single, maybe not thousands of result, maybe at 10 results, right? So we cannot use send keys that much time. So if our keys dot down is working there in that position, also we can match and click on that position. Similarly,
Yeah,
if our keys dot down is not working or there may be some error, then what can we do? We can just use that this way that I have told, and once our result is matched, just click on that, right? So suppose I open this website makemytrip.com. So just try to do it by this assignment. Just don't see that this here, just use dot clear method, just like after dot send keys, after element dot send keys, dot clear also works same. So it will clear your this result, and once you will type ben, don't find it tricky, right? If you know how to write locators, then everything is easy, right? And once I will type ben, so what I have to do, beng, so what I have to do, I have to select this Durgapur India, right? Try with this keys down, here it should work, and also keys down as well as that method I have told you. This is your assignment, and maybe Sumit will give another assignment, but this is your assignment for the class.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
So tomorrow we'll be see that dynamic drop down, and then your drop downs will be completed. Checkbox and the radio buttons are 5 minute task. There are two methods: is present, is selected, and not selected. Those are some methods, and after that we'll be jumping to calendar and tables, right? So we'll be completing these web elements very soon.
Okay.
So whatever you face any problem, just